Hi students. So 8th class students, welcome again to my class. So today I am starting your new chapter, square roots and cube roots. Okay. So first I am going to explain you perfect square. Okay, what is a perfect square? Okay, first we are going to do some introduction of this chapter and we are going to do exercises after that. Okay. So first I am going to explain you what is a perfect square. Okay. You might have observed the numbers are expressed as the product of equal factors. Okay, so some numbers are there which can be expressed as the product of two equal factors. Example, I am taking here 9. Okay, so we can write this 9 as 3 3s are 9. And again, example, one more example, I am taking here 49. We can write this 49 as 7 into 7. So you have to take the same numbers. Okay, you have to take the same number and you have to multiply it. Okay, so what answer you are getting, that is known as a perfect square. Okay, so this is a perfect square. 9 and 49 is a perfect square, and these two numbers, they are square number. Okay, square number means if you are writing, okay, if you are writing 2 as a power, okay, it is known as a square number. So it is 3 square. Okay, 3 square means how you have to write 3 square? 3 into 3. Okay, so this is a square number. Okay, so this square number and this perfect square, okay, both are equal. Okay, so I am taking here one more number. Okay, if I am taking 42, means how can I write 42? 6 7s are 42. Okay, 6 7s are 42 means here two numbers are different. So 42, it is a perfect square. Then again I am taking 2 2s are 4, 4 2 1s are 2, 21. So it is a perfect square? No, it is not a perfect square. Okay, so 42 is not a perfect square. Okay, so like this we can say the perfect square and a square number. Now we are going to learn properties of square numbers. Okay, there are some properties, you have to remember it. Okay, the first property is the numbers that have 2 3 7 or 8 in its units place are not perfect square. Okay, so if the number is having 2 3 7 or 8 in its unit place, okay, it is not a perfect square. Let us take an example, 28. If I am taking 28, you can write 28 as 4 7s are 28. Okay, so there are two different numbers, 4 and 7 are different numbers, so it is not a perfect square. So 77 is there, 27, when you take 27, 3 9s are 27, again it is not a perfect square. Okay, 3 means again any number you take that is that ends with 3. Okay, so you take any number end with 3 and try 3 means we will take 33. 33 means it is 11 3s are 33. Okay, so it is also not same. Okay, 2 means 42, I am taking here 42, it is 6 7s are 42, again here also. Okay, so like this you have to remember this one, this property. Now second property, what is the second property? All numbers end with 0 1 4 5 6 or 9 at units place are square number. So if you are taking any number that end with 0 1 4 5 6 and 9, then it is a square number. Okay, example, if I am taking here 1, it is 121. So 121 we can write 121 as 11 11s are, so it is a square number. 4 64, 64 at unit place 4 is there, 64 I am taking at unit place 4 is there, means 8 8s are 64. 25, 5 5s are 25, again 6 36, 6 6 are 36, 9 49, 7 7s are 49. Okay, like this you can see this property also. Okay, while checking the square. Now third property, if a number has 1 or 9 in its units place, then the unit digit in its square is 1. Okay, so here once again the same property. Okay, so if you are taking 1 or 9 in the unit place, if a number is having 1 or 9, again you take 121, then the unit digits in its square number is 1 only. Okay, 1 or 9 also you have to see, so it is mentioned in this also. Okay, fourth point, if a number has 4 or 6 in its units place, then the unit digits in its square is always 6. So if you multiply these 4 two times, 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 means the unit digits in its in the number is 16. If you see 16, what is the unit digit? It is 6. When you take 6, 6 6 are 36. The unit digit in it in the 36 is 6. Okay, 16 and 36. So the unit digit is 6. So this property also, you remember this property also. If a number has 4 or 6 in its units place, then the unit digits in its square is always 6. Okay, so like this, these are the properties which we have to follow in our exercises. Now we are going to study some interesting patterns in square. Okay, so we have to take the odd numbers. So here I am taking 1. 1 is equals to 1 square. So again you have to add one more number, one more odd number. Odd number means the number that does not comes in two table. So odd number, again after 1, what is the odd number? 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. It is 2 square. So again what you have to do, again one more odd number you have to take. 1 plus 3 plus 5. So after 3, 4 is there. 4 comes in 2 table. So 5 doesn't comes. You have to take 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5. So now what you have to do, you have to take here 3 square. Okay, so here 2 square, 1 square, 2 square. Again you have to take 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3 is 9. So here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus again 7. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 4 square you have to take. 4 square is 4 4s are 16. So here also 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, again 9 you have to take next odd number. So it is 5 square, again it is 25. If so many numbers are there, it is difficult to add. So that's why we have to use this method. Okay, so now 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Again what you have to take, you have taken here 5 square. It is 6 square. 6 6 it is 36. So like this pattern goes on. Okay, one more interesting pattern is there. If you do 11 into 11, it is 11 square. 11 square is 121. 11 into 11 is 121. So here if you are writing in between 0, okay, between these two one, if you are writing 0, here what you have to do, after 1 you have to write here one more 0. Then after 2 you have to write here one more 0. 2 zeros you have to write. Okay, so after this one you have to write one more 0. Before this one you have to write one more 0. So if you are taking 2 zeros, 1 0 0 1 whole square, then what you have to do, again you have to write after 1 2 zeros. Before 1 2 zeros. Okay, 2 you have to keep in between. So if I am taking here 3 zeros, okay, 1 0 0 0 1 whole square. What you have to do here, again 3 zeros you have to take after 1, then 2, again 3 zeros, again 1. Like this you have to write. Then again if you are taking 4 zeros, after 1 you have to write 4 zeros, then 2, then 4 zeros, then 1. Like that this pattern goes on. Now one more pattern. It is 1 square. 1 square is equals to 1. So if you are writing one more 1 beside this one, it will become 11. 11 square is 121. Again we know this. So 111 if you are writing, one more 11 one more 1 you are writing after 11. It is 111 square. What is 111 square? What you have to do, you have to write here 1 2 you have taken, again 3 you have to take. Okay, then if you see from the right side, it should be also 1 2 3. Okay, when you see from the left side, it should be 1 2 3. Okay, here also 1 2 3, here also 1 2 3. Like this you have to complete the pattern. So I'm taking here 4 ones. Okay, so if you're taking 4 ones means what you have to do, 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to take. 4 ones we are taking. Here also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 I am taking. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. You have to complete this pattern. Again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones I am taking. What you have to do again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again what you have to do here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this you have to complete this pattern. Okay. So these numbers are called palindromic numbers or numerical palindrome. Okay. Means a palindrome is a word or phrase or a sentence or a numerical that reads the same forward or backward. If you read it forward or backward, forward means from here, backward means from here. If you read from here and here, it will be same. Okay. Palindrome. Palindrome numbers or numerical palindrome. Now one more pattern. Here 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. 1 square is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 means you can write 9 as 3 square. So now how to write it in a pattern? What you have to do here? Here 2 square plus 3 square is given. So what you have to do? 2 3s are you have to take here 6. You have to multiply first number and second number base. This is a power. You have to multiply base. 2 3s are 6. You have to write here 6. It is 6 square is equals to, now what you have to do here, after 2 what comes here? 3. It is 3 square. So after 6 what comes here? 7. It is 7 square. You have to write like this. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. You have to do this and see. 7 7s are 49. It is 49 or not. So here also 3 4s are 12. You have to take here 12 square is equal to, after 12 what comes here? 13. It is 13 square. Answer is. So here 4 square, 5 square. Again 4 5s are, it is 20. You have to take here 20 square. After 20 what comes here? 21. You have to write here 21 square. Here also. Here what you have to do? 5 square. Here 30 is there. So you have to see how many times these 30 goes in 5 table. How many times it goes? 5 6 are 30. 6 square. So after 30 what comes here? 31 square. So here also 6 7s are 42. It is 42 square. After 42 what comes here? 43 square. So if you do the multiplication, then again if you do the addition, it will become a very lengthy process. That's why these patterns are given. Next one is find the missing numbers using the given pattern. So 3 square is equals to 9. It will be given. So now how you have to write this 9? How you have to write this 9 means what you have to do? You have to take this formula. N square minus 1 by 2 plus n square plus 1 by 2. So what is n square here? 3 square. So you have to take 3 square minus 1 by 2 plus 3 square. You have to take 3 square minus 1 by 2 plus 3 square plus 1 by 2. It is 9. 3 square is 9. So 9 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 square again here 9. 9 plus 1 by 2. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So you have to write here first 4. Then 3 square is 9 again. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2 means you have to take 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 3 square means here I am taking 9. 9 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 square is again 9 plus 3 square is given here. 9 plus 1 by 2 It is 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 2 plus 10 by 2. It is 2 ones are 2 fours are. It is 2 ones are 2 fives are. So you have to write here 4 plus 5. Like this you have to complete this patterns. Okay. 5 square is equal to 25. Again n square, what is n square? 5 square minus 1 by 2 plus 5 square plus 1 by 2. So what is 5 square here? 25. 25 minus 1 by 2 plus 25 plus 1 by 2. 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 by 2 plus 25 plus 1 is 26 by 2. Again here 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4 it is. Again here 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. It is 12 plus 13. So you have to write here 12 plus 13. Same for 49 also you have to do the same. For 49 also you have to do the same thing. For 11 121 also you have to do the same. For 15 square also you have to do the same here. Okay, we'll try for 49 also. It is 7 square minus 1 by 2 plus 7 square plus 1 by 2. It is 49 minus 1 by 2 plus 49 plus 1 by 2. 49 minus 1 is 48 by 2. 50 by 2. 48 means 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Again 50 means 2 twos are 4. Again 2 fives are 10 it is. 24 plus 25 you have to write here. 24 plus 25. Like this we can do for 121 also. We can do for 225. 15 square also. Same pattern you have to follow. 15 square means what you have to do? 15 square minus 1 by 2. 15 square minus 1 by 2 we'll do here. 15 square minus 1 by 2 plus 15 square plus 1 by 2. What is 15 square? It is 225. 225 minus 1 by 2 plus 225 plus 1 by 2. 225 minus 1 is 224 by 2. Again 225 plus 1 is 226 by 2. You have to cancel it. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Again 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 threes are. It is 112 plus 113 plus 113. Like this we can complete this pattern also. So you have to do for 121 also you have to follow the same method. Now exercise 6.1. First one is what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers. So what will be the unit digits of the square of the following numbers? So what you have to do? You have to see the ones number. What is the ones number in this? In this 39, what is the ones number? It is 9. So 9 is the ones number. So 9 square is 9 nines are 81. So what is the unit digit number in this? In ones place, it is 1. So the answer is here 1. So what will be the unit digit of the square of the following number? Means you have to do like this. Okay. So here 7 is there again. 7 square means 7 sevens are 49. Only you have to see the ones number, unit number. Okay. It is 7 sevens are 49. Unit number you have to take. You have to do the square of that number and you have to write the again the ones place number. Okay. Here 49 is there. So you have to write 9. Then here 5 square again. 5 5s are it is 25. Again the answer is 5. Ones place. So here again 6 square. It is 6 6 36. So the answer is here 6. Okay. So here 2 2s are 4. 2 square. 2 2s are 4. 4 you have to take 4 only. So it is 2 to the 4 means, so the answer is 4 only. So like this you have to write the unit digit of the square of the number. What is the second sum? Which of the following numbers are perfect squares? You have to see whether these numbers are perfect squares or not. So in the introduction I explain you one condition. So if the number is having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in its units place, then the number is a square number. But here it is not like that. You have to, for perfect squares, you have to multiply the numbers and you have to see whether it is a perfect square or not. So 121 is equals to 11 square. 11 into 11 is 121. So 136. For 136, what you again we'll do for 136. Okay, 136. So we'll take with 2. Okay, it is 13 is there. 13 does not comes in 2 table. So what comes? 12. 2 6 are 12. Here 6 is there. 1 we have to take here. We have taken 13 here. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1s are 2. Again 2 7s are 14. Again 17 1s are 17. So here what you have to do, two numbers you have to take as one number for finding the perfect square. So here 2 into 17. So it is not a perfect square. So if you multiply two numbers, you have to get the same number. Then only it is a perfect square. So here for 136 it is not a perfect square. Okay. So we'll see for 256. Shall we see for 256? Yeah, 256 means again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 you have to take, 2 8s are 16, again 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, again 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2, 1 left here, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 2 number you have to take as one number. Here 2, here 2, here 2, here 2. So you have to multiply this number. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So when you do 16 into 16, the answer will be 256. It is 16 square. Yes, it is a perfect square. Okay, for 321. We'll see for 321. Okay, so 321 means 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. When you see 17 3s are, it is 7 3s are 21, 1 3s are 3, 4 5. It is 51. So what you have to do here, you have to take 0. It is 107 into 3. 107 into 3 means 3 7s are 21, 2 0s, 3 0 0, then 2, 3 1s are 3. It is 321. So here if you are taking two digits, last two digits means you have to take in between 0. Remember this. Okay, again it is 3 3s are 9. 107 means 3 3s are 9. 1 is there. No, it doesn't comes in 3 table. So 107 doesn't goes in any table. So you write 107 ones are 107, or 1 into 107 is 107. So like this, it is not a perfect square. This is also not a perfect square. No, not. So only 121 and 256 are perfect square in this. Like this you have to find out the perfect squares. What is the third sum? The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reasons. So they are not perfect squares. You have to give reasons. So what is the condition for not perfect squares? What was the condition? It is 2, 3, 7 and 8. So if in the unit digit these numbers are there, they are not a perfect square. So we'll start with 257. Here 7 is there at its units, the units place 7 is there, so it is not a perfect square. Unit digit is 7 here, so it is not a perfect square. So you have to write not a perfect square, not. Okay, so here 2 is there, so 2 means it is also not. So for 3 it is also not a perfect square. You have to write not a perfect square. Here you write not a perfect square. Here also you write the same, not a perfect square. Here also you write the same. So here for 0 also it is having one condition. What is? If the number unit digit is 0, the number of zeros at the end is only 1, and hence it is not a perfect square. So what happened? In the unit digit 0 is there, so number of zeros at the end is only 1, so hence it is also not a perfect square. So you have to remember this condition also. Okay, here also not. So here you see, here 8 is there, it is also not. Now fourth sum is find whether the square of the following numbers are even or odd. Are even or odd. So what you have to say, 431. 431 means you have to see the last number. The unit number is 1 here. So 1 square is 1. So 1 is an odd number. Odd number means which does not comes in 2 table. Even number means which comes in 2 table. So here 6. Again if you do 6 square, it is 6 6 are 36. 36 goes in 2 table, yes. 2 ones are 2. Again 1 left here, 2 8 are 16. Okay. So 2 18s are, it is 36. So here also 4 4s are 16. 16, yes. 2 8 are 16. Again here also 9 9s are 81. 81 doesn't goes in 2 table, so it is an odd. You have to write here odd. So here also 8 8s are 64. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 32. 2 32s are, it is 64. So it is yes. Okay. So like this you have to see whether the square of the number is even or odd. Fifth sum is how many numbers lie between the square of the following numbers. So how many numbers lie between the square of the following numbers? So there is a formula you have to use here, 25 and 26. Okay, so how many numbers lies between the square of the following numbers means what you have to do? You have to do 2 into n. Okay, 2 into n means here n is 25. So 2 into n means you have to do 2 into 25. It is 25 2 is 50. So the answer is here. So the answer is here 50. Like this you have to see. Again 2 into 56 we will do. 56 2s are 6 2s are 12. 5 2s are 10, 11. It is 112. So the answer is here 112. 2n you have to take. First number is n here. Again 107 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 2 zeros are 0, 1. 2 ones are 2. It is 214. So the answer is here 214. Simple. You have to use here formula 2 into n. Okay. So the question is how many numbers lie between the square of the following numbers. Okay. Between the square of these two numbers, how many numbers lie? Means you have to use this formula. Now sixth sum, without adding, find the sum of the following numbers. So these all are odd numbers. Okay. So you have to find out the sum of the following numbers without doing addition. So if so many numbers are there, you can't add this. Okay, it will take so much of time. So here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is there. So you have to count it. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 numbers are there, means you have to take 5 square. So the answer is 5 square. 5 5s are 25. So here how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So only for odd numbers you have to take this pattern. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 means it is 9 square. 9 9s are, it is 81. So here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 square. When you do 13 into 13 you will get 169. Like this you have to write this pattern. Okay. So we'll do exercise 6.2 in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.